be used in many fields. Population and production are some it yields. Product rule is really important to know. Don't forget about the quotient rule, yo. Got my books, got my bag, get my BB. I even bust out my TI-83.
First one about simple tangent line problem. Is a shaft was the one that teaches how to solve sine. Cosine tangibly used.
Our graphing calculators is what we abuse.
Sometimes when you integrate, you'll need substitution. Just take out the u and you'll find your solution. Odd or greater just won't let you be if you integrate and forget.
Everybody now, D for derivative, I for integration, D for velocity, A for acceleration, maximum, minimum, and points of inflection. Listen to this song and we'll show you the connection. D for derivative, I for integration, D for velocity, A for acceleration, maximum, minimum, and points of inflection. Listen to this song and we'll show you the connection.
D and A, ma are smart, we never dumb. The area under curve.
Rewind song.
Extrema on an interval, you know it's relative. Watch the sign chart change from positive to negative. The graph of a function is concave down, then it won't be a half it will be a graph. Check for a limit, there are many ways to see. There is graphically, numerically, and analytically.
Learning calculus is such a sensation, especially when I learned about optimization. This can be used to find the min or max on the volume of a function. Y'all speed left. Deriving your velocity gives acceleration. If you want the right position to choose, integration. Whether you're white, Asian, Mexican, or black, you can learn calculus from the best. Mr. Shaq! I for integration, give for velocity, A for